I'm going to teach you on how to solve the problem if YouTube homepage is not showing. So let's begin. If your YouTube video is not showing, it means that it can be shown if you see this type of screen where there's no videos at all in your YouTube homepage. That means if you turn on the watch history, it will come again. So what you have to do simply is go to your YouTube page, go to your settings on the top right, go and click manage all your history. Go and click that. After clicking that, you will see not saving your YouTube history. Go and click this button. After going there, you can see this, there's a subsetting was last updated second March. So click this, turn it on. Your setting is on. So yeah, you've resolved your problem. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.